My name's Laura Byrne. I am the Deputy Head Teacher at St Mary's Catholic Primary School. We wanted to install more playground equipment at our school because the children just didn't have any, and we really wanted to promote that healthy lifestyle. And our sister school also had Playdale equipment, and we saw the benefits that it was offering those children, and we really wanted to do the same here at St Mary's. We chose a particular equipment because we looked at our children specifically. What do they want? We wanted them to have challenge, be able to learn together, have fun. And the swinging, the beam, being able to get to the end of those activities was a real achievement for them. We chose Playdale because our sister school also uses the same equipment. We know how much it benefits them. It's safe, it's cost effective, and also it's vibrant, and the children get lots of pleasure out of using it.